Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're covering a must-know topic, how to avoid credit card scams and fraud. Did you know that credit card fraud costs consumers over $11 billion every year? Scammers are getting smarter and finding new ways to steal your information. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to. Identify common credit card scams. Protect your financial information. Take action immediately if fraud happens. Stay until the end because I'll also share 5 expert tips to keep your credit cards 100% safe. Hit that like button and subscribe for more personal finance and security tips. Now, let's dive in. The first step in avoiding fraud is knowing what to look out for. Scammers use a variety of tricks, but these are the most common ones you need to be aware of. Phishing scams, fake emails and text messages. Scammers pretend to be your bank or credit card company. You get an email or text saying your account has an issue. You're asked to click a link and enter your card details. How to avoid it? Never click on links from unexpected emails or messages. Always log in directly through your bank's official website. Call your bank if you receive a suspicious request. Pro tip, always check the sender's email address. Banks will never email you from a Gmail or Yahoo account. 2 phone scams, fake bank calls. You receive a call from someone claiming to be your bank. They say there's a problem with your account and ask for your card number, PIN, or security code. Sometimes they even use caller ID spoofing to make it look real. How to avoid it? Hang up immediately if someone asks for sensitive information. Call your bank directly using the number on your card. Never give out personal details over the phone. Pro tip, banks will never call and ask for your PIN, CVV, or full card number. 3 skimming and card cloning, ATM and gas station scams. Scammers install hidden skimming devices at ATMs or gas stations. These devices steal your card information when you swipe. Your card info is then copied and used for fraudulent purchases. How to avoid it? Always check for loose or suspicious card readers. Use contactless payments or mobile wallets when possible. Enable real-time transaction alerts to catch fraud quickly. Pro tip, if the card slot looks bulky or loose, don't use it. Report it to the bank or store immediately. 4 online shopping scams, fake websites and sellers. You find a crazy deal on a website but never receive your order? The website looks professional but has no reviews or customer service. Your card gets charged, but the seller disappears. How to avoid it? Only shop from trusted and well-known websites. Look for HTTPS in the URL. Use virtual credit cards for online purchases. Pro tip, always check Trustpilot, BBB, or Google reviews before buying from a new website. 5. Public Wi-Fi scams. Hackers stealing your data. Hackers monitor public Wi-Fi networks to steal your login info. If you enter your credit card info, they can intercept and steal it. How to avoid it? Never enter credit card details on public Wi-Fi. Use a VPN, virtual private network, for extra security. Disabled automatic connection to public networks. Pro tip, if you must use public Wi-Fi, enable 2-factor authentication, 2FA, on all accounts. Now that you know the scams, let's talk about how to protect yourself. Here are the best ways to keep your cards safe. 1. Use strong passwords and 2-factor authentication. Set strong, unique passwords for banking and shopping sites. Enable 2-factor authentication, 2FA, for extra protection. Pro tip, never use your name, birthday, or 123456 as a password. 2. Monitor your transactions regularly. Check your credit card statements every week. Set up real-time alerts to catch fraud immediately. 3. Freeze or lock your card when not in use. Many banks allow you to lock your card through their app. If you're not using it, freeze it to prevent unauthorized charges. 4. Use contactless and virtual cards for extra security. Use tap to pay instead of swiping your card. Get a virtual credit card for safer online shopping. 5. Be cautious with card information. Never write down your PIN or share it with anyone. Avoid using your credit card on unfamiliar websites. If you see unauthorized charges on your account, here's what to do immediately. 1. Contact your bank or credit card company. Call the fraud department and report the issue. They will block your card and issue a new one. 2. Dispute unauthorized transactions. Most banks have zero liability protection. File a dispute claim for any fraudulent charges. 3. Freeze your credit if necessary. If you're a victim of identity theft, freeze your credit with Agfax, Xperia, TransUnion. 4. Change your passwords and enable security features. Update passwords for bank accounts and emails. Turn on two-factor authentication, 2FA.